Merry Christmas.
Aww. What is it?
Mario Steffi.
Aww, what do you say to Gabriel?
Thank you.
He picked that out just for you. Okay, can Gabriel open yours now?
Yeah. I like Minky. Thank you. Cool.
And it's a color changer.
Yeah.
You should try it out. Tristan picked that out all by himself, didn't you?
Wait.
I wonder what color it changes to.
Oh, it shows you on the back.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.